English lesson on luxury and exotic cars. Acura NSX. Acura NSX. The two-seat mid-engine sports car manufactured by Japanese automobile manufacturer Honda Motor Company. Alfa Romeo 8C Competizione. Alfa Romeo 8C Competizione. The sports car produced by Italian automotive manufacturer Alfa Romeo between 2007 and 2010. Aston Martin DB11 AMR. Aston Martin DB11 AMR. The Grand Tour, produced by British luxury car manufacturer Aston Martin Lagonda. Audi R8. Audi R8. The mid-engine two-seater sports car, produced by German automobile manufacturer Audi AG. Bentley Continental GT. Bentley Continental GT. The Grand Tour, manufactured and marketed by British automaker Bentley Motors since 2003. BMW i8 Roadster. BMW i8 Roadster. The plug-in hybrid sports car, developed by German automobile manufacturer BMW AG. Bugatti Chiron. Bugatti Chiron. A mid-engine two-seater sports car, developed and manufactured by French automobile manufacturer Bugatti Automobiles SAS. Chevrolet Corvette ZR1. Chevrolet Corvette ZR1. A sports car, produced by American automobile manufacturer General Motors. Ferrari A12. Ferrari A12. The front mid-engine rear-wheel drive Grand Tour, produced by Italian sports car manufacturer Ferrari. Ford GT. Ford GT. A mid-engine two-seater sports car, manufactured and marketed by American automobile manufacturer Ford. Gumpert Apollo S. Gumpert Apollo S. A sports car, produced by German automotive manufacturer Apollo Automobil. Hennessey Venom GT. Hennessey Venom GT. A high-performance sports car, manufactured by American company Hennessey Performance Engineering. Jaguar F-Type. Jaguar F-Type. A sports car, manufactured by British luxury car manufacturer Jaguar Land Rover, a wholly owned subsidiary of Indian automobile manufacturer Tata Motors Limited. Koenigsegg Regera. Koenigsegg Regera. A limited production, plug-in hybrid grand touring sports car, manufactured by Swedish automotive manufacturer Koenigsegg. Lamborghini Aventador. Lamborghini Aventador. A mid-engine sports car, produced by the Italian automotive manufacturer Lamborghini. Lexus LFA. Lexus LFA. A two-seat sports car, manufactured by Lexus, the luxury car division of Japanese automaker Toyota. Lotus Evija. Lotus Evija. A limited production electric sports car, manufactured by British automobile manufacturer Lotus. Maserati Gran Turismo Sport. Maserati Gran Turismo Sport. A Grand Tour, produced by the Italian automobile manufacturer Maserati. Maybach S650. Maybach S650. A full-sized luxury sedan, manufactured by a German car brand that today exists as a part of Mercedes-Benz, a division of Daimler AG. McLaren Senna. McLaren Senna. A limited production mid-engine supercar, manufactured by British automotive manufacturer McLaren Automotive. Mercedes-Benz S-Class AMG. Mercedes-Benz S-Class AMG. The full-size luxury sedan, produced by the German automaker Mercedes-Benz, a division of German company, Daimler AG. Nissan GTR. Nissan GTR. The high-performance sports car and grand tourer, produced by Japanese automobile manufacturer, Nissan Motor Company. Noble M600. Noble M600. A sports car, manufactured by British automobile manufacturer, Noble Automotive. Bugatti Chiron, Roadster, BC. Bugatti Chiron, Roadster, BC. A mid-engine sports car, produced by Italian sports car manufacturer, Pagani. Porsche Taycan 4S. Porsche Taycan 4S. An all-electric car, manufactured by German automobile manufacturer, Porsche. Rolls-Royce Phantom. Rolls-Royce Phantom. A luxury car, manufactured by British luxury automobile maker, Rolls-Royce Motor Cars, a wholly owned subsidiary of German group, BMW. Saleen S7. Saleen S7. A hand-built high-performance sports car, designed and built by American automobile manufacturer, Saleen Automotive Incorporated. SSC Ultimate Aero. SSC Ultimate Aero. A mid-engine sports car that was produced by American automobile manufacturer, SSC North America from 2006 until 2013. Tesla X. Tesla X. A mid-size all-electric luxury SUV, made by American company, Tesla Incorporated. Zenvo ST1 GT. Zenvo ST1 GT. A high-performance sports car, manufactured by Danish company, Zenvo Automotive. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe.